So what is going on, everyone? Eoin here from Country Munch. Today we're going to talk about 5 daily habits that can make you more productive and get you on the path to a healthier, happier life. So tip number 1, and I always give this, is drink more water. Our bodies are made up of mainly water. I think it's like 70 or 80% water. So we have to keep replenishing our body, and that detoxifies our body as well. So for a male, you should be aiming for 2 to 4 liters. If you're training like myself, I always aim for 4, if not more, liters. For a female, 1 to 3 liters is perfect. Again, if you're training a little bit more, if you're sweating a lot. But you will be absolutely astounded by the effects of drinking more water. Your skin will get clearer, you will have more mental clarity, you'll feel better, you'll feel fresher, you will actually look better. I mean, everything gets better when you drink more water. So tip number 1, just increase your water intake. You could use cordials, or you could use any other water flavor enhancements to make it easier. I often use my body. It makes it a little bit easier to get in that amount of water. So number 2 is eat more fiber. So again, you know, my brand, my ethos is all about healthy, wholesome, home cooked food and using like ingredients from the garden, using fresh produce. And in that comes a lot of fiber. So again, when we're incorporating a lot of vegetables into our diet, we're getting that fiber content. It's going to be great for our gut health, and again, really helps us with our appetite, with our digestion. It's going to keep us fuller for longer, and again has a ton of benefits in terms of like micronutrients and all that kind of stuff. So aim to eat as much fiber as you can. I think usually it's about 10 grams of fiber per 1,000 calories. But again, things like wholesome food like vegetables, like nuts and seeds have fiber, oats have fiber, a lot of carb sources, stuff like that. So really make sure you're getting that fiber in. So more on the lifestyle side of things, keep a diary. This is something I've been doing for the last 2 years, and it has been like pivotal. My kind of life changed when I started keeping a diary, because everything I wanted to do, I wrote it down and I got it done. And you would be absolutely amazed. The smallest little things that you constantly tell yourself you need to do but you never do, write it down and it will get done. So at the end of every day, I sit down, I write out my to-do list for the next day. So then when I get up in the morning, straight away I know what I'm doing. I'm not looking to see, I'm not trying to make excuses. I know exactly what needs to be done, and if I can't get it done that day, it's push on to the next day. So with the diary, I do a lot of like gratification as well, but we can discuss that in another video. I just write down 3 things that I'm grateful for every single day. So the 4th thing is set a bedtime and set a wake up time and stick to them. So one of the main reasons we get this kind of minute jet lag at the weekends is because we may work a job from 9 to 5 all week. We have our set bedtimes and set sleeping schedules, and on the weekends we completely throw off our circadian rhythm. So then on Monday our body isn't used, it's out of sync. So try and stick to a time that you get up every day and a time you go to bed every day. Body will get used to this. It gets so much easier getting up. It makes it easier going to sleep at night. And again, while we're on that topic, sleep is absolutely crucial. You should be aiming for 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night in a dark room that's not so hot. Try and avoid any blue light in your screens an hour beforehand, and it will make such a big difference to your life. And finally, take time out every day to do something you enjoy. So even though I love what I do, it can get stressful. I know there are times when my phone is ringing, my emails are coming in, people are talking to me, there's food to be cooked. It gets stressful. Everything's up here get clouded. So that's why it's important every single day to take time out to do something you enjoy. Now for me, that's exercise. I've done a lot of meditation and mindset, and I've tried a lot of meditation practices, and the best one for my own mental clarity is always exercise. It is an hour of the day that no one interrupts me. I don't bring my phone. It is 1 hour where I'm focusing in the moment. I'm living in the moment. I'm training. No, when I'm in the gym, I'm in the gym. I'm not thinking about anything else. I don't have my laptop or my phone on me. So again, find what that is for you. Maybe it's a walk with your dog. Maybe it's a swim, a run, maybe it's dancing, it could be martial arts, it could be absolutely anything. But finding that time in the day to just pull back the reins a little bit, clear your mind, and then you can go at it again 100% and you're ready to go. So that is it, 5 daily habits. Really simple, but even if you can start to implement 1 or 2, it will make such a big difference. Don't go and try and start all 5 at once. Maybe take 1 per week. Try and increase your water intake next week. The week after, maybe eat more fiber. Try and find a bedtime that suits you. And then as you progress, I guarantee you will find that you're more productive, you're more organized, and you are enjoying life more. But at the end of the day, we don't have a lot of time on this earth, so it's important to enjoy as much of it as we can. So thank you for watching. Don't forget, if you want to order the food, go online, you can order it there, you can collect it here in Fit 100, or it can be delivered in Limerick. As always, thank you for watching and keep on cooking.